Hello, today we're going to be talking about use of reproductive technologies such as artificial insemination, embryo transfer, and gene editing to improve livestock performance and efficiency. We are Group 15 with Giselle Romero, Cesar Lucio, Daniela Vela, Diego Cancino, and Kate Montiel.
Hello, my name is Giselle, and today we'll be going over the popular press perspective. So first of all, let's look at a few key reproductive technologies that started shaping livestock genetics long before gene editing showed up. So first, artificial insemination. Thanks to this technology, farmers can use semen from the best males around without removing the animals and cells. This could be like desirable traits such as higher milk yield, faster growth, or even better fertility, which is spread through herds much more quickly. There's also embryo transfer. Instead of a top female producing only one calf a year, she can have several. So you can get more offspring from animals with the best genetics. Another technology to point out is genomic selection. With DNA testing, farmers can tell which animals will perform well before they even grow up. With all these tools, it makes genetic reproduction reliable and easier for farmers to build herds that are stronger and more reliant on.
Hello, my name is Cesar Lucio, and today I'm going to be talking about the peer-reviewed or scientific perspective on reproductive technologies such as artificial insemination or other reproductive technologies that were stated by Jazeel in the last slide. Now, the peer-reviewed or scientific perspective states that all these advanced technologies played a significant part in transforming livestock production, and they have come with many benefits that are very scientific and very technical. But it does warn that even though all these benefits arise from the use of these technologies, we should still be on the lookout for ethical complications that arise while using these technologies and should be aware of the fact that those implications are there.
Hello, my name is Diego. I'm going to be describing artificial insemination. So, this is a process where semen is selected from bulls, and it is inserted into an artificial gun where it will be inserted into the vulva, past the vagina, into the cervix. This is all guided by another hand by the farmer, but that is inserted through the anus so that it may properly reach the cervix. Once the cervix has reached that point, the gun will be released. The semen will be released from the gun, and it would have been artificially inserted into the cow, and that is artificial insemination. Hello, I'm Diego, and I'm going to be describing embryo transfer. So, embryo transfer takes place after the fact of artificial insemination. So, after the donor cows have undergone artificial insemination and they are given a 7 time period about to let the embryos develop, donor, I'm sorry, no, recipient cows will have to have matched the heat and the synchronization for reproduction. After they had matched, they will be given and receive the embryos which are collected from the uterus from the donor cows, and that's embryo transfer.
In summary, to increase livestock productivity and performance, reproductive technologies such as gene editing, embryo transfer, and artificial insemination are employed. Farmers can produce animals with higher genetics using artificial insemination. The number of children from high quality females can be increased through embryo transfer. Precise modifications to improve characteristics like growth or resistance to disease are made possible via gene editing. When combined, these techniques increase the productivity, sustainability, and efficiency of animal production. This is the list of individual task assignments. PowerPoint Maker, Kate. Video editing, Giselle. Voiceover, all members will do voiceovers. Information gathering would be Cesar and Daniela, and gathering images and explaining them would be Diego.
Thank you. On the behalf of Giselle, Cesar, Daniela, Diego, and Kate.